When we're speaking about making single malt whisky, we're speaking about nature, because malt whisky is made from this part of Scotland, the Speyside region, which is arguably the most famous area for making malt whisky. And Mother Nature plays a huge part in this because she supplies all the raw materials for making this fine malt. We need an abundance of water to make whisky, so that is supplied by Mother Nature. And Father Time, he plays a second part because he gives us the time to slowly mature our whisky in oak casks so that it reaches its perfect balanced taste and flavours just when we need it. Nature as it should be.